Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove widget on Android home screen. Okay, here I have opened my Android phone and this is my Android home screen. And first of all, we can tap and hold on any empty area of our home screen and the screen will look like this, and we're going to select the widgets option. And here you can select the type of the widget you would like to add to your Android home screen. And I'm going to add battery widget, so we can tap on the battery option and we can click on the widget and click on add to add this widget to our home screen. Okay, and now as you can see that the widget has been added to my Android home screen. And if we want to remove the widget, we just need to long press on the widget like this until this option appear on your screen, and we can click on remove. Okay, and now the widget has been removed from my Android home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can add and remove widget on Android home screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.